Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about chapter 4th, motion in a plane, module number 5th. In module number 5th we are going to discuss about resolution of a vector. Resolution of a vector means the process of splitting of a given vector. The process of splitting of a given vector into two or more vectors, that is called resolution of a vector. Let vector R represented by vector R represented by OP. This vector can be resolved along this vector can be resolved along vector A. This is the vector A, and along vector B. This vector can be resolved along vector A and vector B. Draw a line parallel to vector A and B from the point O and P. Draw a line parallel to vector A and from the point P draw a line parallel to vector B. This point is called point of intersection Q. This is equal to mu B, and this is equal to mu lambda A. By triangle law of vector addition, by triangle law of vector addition, state that sum of vector having same order which is equal to vector opposite order. So vector OQ plus vector QP that is equal to vector OP which is in opposite order. Vector OQ lambda into A, vector QP that is equal to mu into V. So vector OP that is equal to vector R which is resolved. Vector R that is equal to lambda A plus mu B. Lambda A plus mu B. Now uniqueness of resolution of a vector. Uniqueness of resolution of a vector. Uniqueness means resolution of a vector is unique. Resolution of a vector is unique means there is no another way to resolve the vector. So resolution. Now this vector can be resolved in another way. Suppose this vector can be resolved in another way, R which is equal to lambda dash be the real number multiplied by vector A plus mu dash be the another real number multiplied by vector B. This is equation second. This is equation first. From equation first and second we can say that lambda dash A plus mu dash B that is equal to lambda A plus mu B. Therefore lambda dash minus lambda vector A plus mu dash minus mu vector B that is equal to 0. Where, as you know, vector A and vector B are coplanar and non-zero vector. Vector A where vector A and vector B are coplanar and non-zero. Therefore, this condition is exist if and only if this condition exists if and only if either lambda dash minus lambda is equal to 0 or mu dash minus mu that is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda dash that is equal to lambda, mu dash that is equal to mu. This proves that lambda dash that is another real number. Lambda dash that is another real number which is equal to the real number which is taken in the starting. Mu dash be another real number in another way of resolutions which is equal to mu the real number which is taken in starting. This shows that lambda dash that is equal to lambda, mu dash that is equal to mu. So resolution of a vector is unique. There is no another way to resolve vector in another components. So resolution is unique. Now next one is rectangular component of a vector. Rectangular component of a vector. Rectangular component. Rectangular component. Angular component. Component of a vector. Rectangular. Now, in the similar way, vector can be resolved into rectangular component. One component that is along x-axis, another component that is along y-axis. These two components are called rectangular component of a given vector. So in this section we can proceed. Vector A, this is the vector A represented by OP. This vector can be resolved in two rectangular components. One component that is along x-axis, another component that is along y-axis. So vector A can be resolved along x-axis, Draw PM perpendicular on OX. PM perpendicular on OX. So this vector is AY. PM draw PM perpendicular on OY. This vector is equal to AX. PM perpendicular on OX. PN perpendicular on OY. This vector AX which is equal to this vector. PM this vector which is equal to this vector AY. Now AX can be written as AX into I unit vector, and AY can be written as that is equal to AY into J unit vector. AY into J unit vector by using triangle law of vector additions. Triangle law of vector addition. vector addition. In triangle OPM, in triangle OPM, the vector which is in same order, OM plus PM, OM plus PM, that is equal to OM plus PM, that is equal to OP. OP, where vector OP that is equal to A, OM that is equal to OM, that is equal to AX plus PM, that is equal to A1. Now AX is equal to AX, magnitude of vector AX into I unit vector, AY that is equal to magnitude of vector AY into J unit vector. In triangle OPM, in triangle OPM, in triangle OPM, PM divided by OP, PM divided by OP, that is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is equal to sin theta. Sin theta. PM that is equal to AY, that is equal to OP, that is equal to A sin theta. Similarly, in same triangle OM divided by OP, OM divided by OP, that is equal to cos theta. That is equal to cos theta. OM that is equal to AX, that is equal to A cos theta. This is the equation first, this is the equation second. Squaring and adding equation first and second, we get magnitude of vector A. Squaring and adding first and second. First and second. Therefore, AX का square plus AY का square, that is equal to A square cos square theta plus sin square theta. A square that is equal to AX का square plus AY का square. Now, in next step, we will find out direction of this vector A. In triangle OPM, in this triangle, PM divided by OM, that is equal to tangent theta. That is equal to tangent theta. Means perpendicular divided by base, that is tangent theta. So PM that is vector AY divided by AX, that is equal to tangent theta. Now we will find out the angle theta. Angle theta. Multiplying tangent inverse both sides. AY divided by AX, that is equal to tangent theta. Now multiplying tangent inverse both sides. Tangent inverse AY divided by AX, that is equal to tangent inverse tangent theta. Tangent theta. Now tangent inverse cancelled out tangent, so theta is equal to tangent inverse ay divided by ax. In next class we will discuss about multiplications of vector. In vector additions there is no rules for additions like simple algebra. Same multiplication of vector is different way. Now stay tuned for next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.